Ay, lang.
Kay ang init man, oy. Hello.
Yun na yung
Boss B.
ano to?
Diba, nagpakita lang tayo saglit. Ay, hindi ko man ano.
Ano to?
Thank you, Sir Wosh.
Nandito guys si ang
Guys,
Ayun pala, oh, shopping center.
ang dami.
Fendi. Ay, hala, hindi ko maka-accept man, oy.
Hello.
Hi, Dustin!
Oh, are you on a roller coaster?
No. I'm at Vietnam for Community Fest. And we
Oh,
are
nice.
on tour.
You're at Community Fest. You want to run a battle with us while you're at Community Fest?
Sure. Okay. Hold on. I'll just get my AirPods.
What up, little bit?
Okay. See you in a bit.
All right, Rissy, you look very nice tonight.
Thank
Uh-oh, did we lose her? LJ, let's go, LJ.
Okay, let's go, everybody.
I really like that flower in your hair. I like that.
It's kind of hot in here, but it's tolerable.
It's hot everywhere in the world right now.
Yeah.
All right, first gift is triple, y'all. DT's a looker. Thank you, baby girl. I appreciate that. Are you saying that I look at people or people look at me? Misfit. Let's go,
Lakas
Misfit.
Manila. Uy, let's go. Power tap.
1,500.
Gift times
Let's
three.
go. Nathan.
Thanks.
El Jefa. What up, El Jefa? Angie, we calling it short tonight. We're ending the live stream at 11 o'clock. 1 hour and 10 minutes, y'all. I want you guys to lock in and whoop everybody up in the next...
Don't forget to send your heart me, everyone. So, na-invite lang tayo ng PKO, pero dito sa Vietnam. And dito tayo for the Community Fest. And today we are at city bus tour. And nasa second floor kami. Second floor. Ayan, thank you so much, Gracie! Gracia! Yeah. Mama Dani, andito na ako. I miss you so much. Sarby! Welcome! Yes, Ho Chi Minh. Sarby, I made it to Vietnam. I am here now for the Community Fest. Once again, thank you to each and every one of you who helped me. Maraming salamat. Let's go, everybody. Times 2 na ta. Times 2. Hi, Tichero! Yes. Together we are here with Philippine creators. We're all together. Ian! Salamat, Ian! Thank you so much. Ay! Naku.